Okay, Chris Ostick, board pico, designed by MJR, and I think he's America. I think MJR is America, or Germany. I'm not sure, but he free sourced it. Chris designed the board, the breakout board. There's hundreds of different versions out there now, apparently. That'll do the buttons. The buttons are the short buttons. LED, yellow. Amps, 12 volt. They'll go to a 7.1 surround system. Go to the exciters, 25 watt exciters. It's spaghetti, but it's going to be better when it's fixed. It's upset a lot of people. They're saying I'm making another mess, but it's going to be better, I promise. I've got the board here, so the wires can sit there. It's glued, as I said. It will be screwed and glued, but I want to glue it first, just so it doesn't come off. Pico will connect to USB port that I've got here, connected to the motherboard. Don't know what else. I'll fill in time because I don't want this to be a short. So I'll play my guitar, which is really funny. It's meant to be funny, so you can laugh. I gave up. Look at me face. Look at that concentration. You see everybody when they're showing off guitars like this, because there's a G spot, get it? Like G spot, I don't know. Wipeout, gentlemen. I used to know it. I used to know Wipeout, but I don't know it anymore. Gone to 4 minutes. It won't be a short no more. If you wonder why I play left-handed, I do everything at right-handed, because I broke my ring finger on a bike once. FZ 1991, I think, in Ingleburn, New South Wales. Yeah, destroyed a FZ 750 pure sports, 20 valves per cylinder, or 5 valves per cylinder. It might have done 220 k's an hour. like, who would know whether I knew that or not? Scary doing 220 k's an hour, I tell you. It would be scary, that's what I'm saying, if I knew that. If I knew it actually did 220 k's an hour. And there's no way you can get from Campbelltown to my house in 10 minutes. No way. No way. Anyway, and that's the long or short. Sorry if I disappointed you to play guitar. It won't happen all the time. Just glue was drying and it goes to shorts and then nobody sees it. The short on my video list has had like 12 views where everything else has had 25. Doesn't make sense, and the short was a good video. I don't know why YouTube insists on being it a short, but it does.